What's up, Kicking Lawyer crew? This is Jerry Mason again, attorney at law, and I am going to give you the quick and dirty on the Tennessee hands-free law. I've had a lot of messages and people in the Tennessee area asking specific questions, so I thought I'd give you a real quick thing. We're coming up on the 4th of July weekend, and I know when I was a police officer, I would have been hot and heavy on using this law to stop people. This modifies TCA 558199, which is Tennessee's unlawful use of a wireless telecommunication device statute. It's a Class C misdemeanor, which means that law enforcement can give you a citation for it. It's also a primary stop now, which means that law enforcement can use the factors in the statute to initiate a traffic stop and then to see if you have warrants, and all the follow-up that they would do is your license good, etc. Basically, you cannot hold a telephone to talk on it while you're operating a vehicle. You can't text on it. No talk, no driving and texting. You're not supposed to even reach for the phone to operate it unless, even if it's affixed somewhere, unless reaching for it, you can operate whatever the task is, music or navigation or whatever, with either one touch or one swipe. That's specific in the statute. Can't watch videos on it, whether it's stable or otherwise. You can't vlog on it. So like I've done YouTube videos. You can't have the video or you can't have the electronic device stable and then be filming yourself. And you can't play games on it. So those are some basic can'ts you can't do. You also can't do any reaching for the phone that would make you leave the seated position or unbuckle your safety belt. You can still use the phone for navigation. So you can't watch movies, but you can have your phone stationary and use it for navigation. The last can would be, like I mentioned, you can activate the phone if it's in a mounted position and it only requires one touch or one swipe. And I think that's for if you're playing music on it, or again, the navigation is going, or you're going to answer a call or terminate a call. So if you're over 18, you can still talk on the phone, but it has to be, again, secured, and it can't be in your hand. So it'd have to be via a Bluetooth or speakerphone or something like that. It can't be that you're holding the phone. Hence the hands-free portion of the statute, or what it's being called is the Tennessee's hands-free driving law. So that's the quick and dirty on the Tennessee hands-free law. I hope that helps you guys this weekend. Maybe you can avoid some law enforcement entanglements, and I think it'll also clear up for law enforcement how they can interpret the law on their stops. So just put the phone down. So I hope you have a safe holiday weekend. If you guys need anything, feel free to reach out to us at the Huff and Mason Law Firm. Thanks. It'd be something good for you guys to have to review going into you come here, I'm almost done. You can come in. I just edit that out. I'm doing a hands-free video on the hands-free law.
Are you live?
No, just come and sit. I'll just edit it out. Just quit making noise.